Labor Day. Labor Day, also known as International Workers' Day, is celebrated annually on May 1st in Pakistan and around the world. It is a day dedicated to honoring and recognizing the contributions and achievements of workers and laborers. To make Labor Day effective in Pakistan, here are a few steps that can be taken. Raise awareness. First and foremost, it is essential to raise awareness about the significance of Labor Day and its importance in recognizing the contributions of workers. This can be done through various mediums, including social media, television, radio, and newspapers. Improve working conditions. The government and employers must work towards improving the working conditions of laborers. This includes providing them with better wages, ensuring their safety at the workplace, and offering them benefits like health insurance. Enforce labor laws. There are several labor laws in Pakistan that are not always enforced. The government must take measures to ensure that these laws are enforced and that workers are protected. Support unions. Unions play a crucial role in representing the rights of workers. It is essential to support unions and provide them with the necessary resources to advocate for the rights of laborers. Provide vocational training to improve the skills of workers and provide them with better job opportunities. It is crucial to provide vocational training programs. These programs can help workers acquire new skills and enhance their existing ones, leading to better employment opportunities. By taking these steps, we can make Labor Day more effective in Pakistan and ensure that the contributions and achievements of workers are recognized and celebrated.